Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque 2.0 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Carpathian Grey. Starting our journey from the front of the vehicle, where you will find your pixel LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights. Cascading on the side of the vehicle, you will see further black contrasting features, all a courtesy of the black exterior pack as it sits with utmost pride on a set of upgraded 21-inch gloss black alloys. To the rear, you'll notice your privacy glass, and opening the powered tailgate, which can also be done via a single press of the key, will reveal a vast amount of boot space. Rear passengers are certainly going to be impressed with their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats, with their own climate control systems and USB ports for compatible devices. In the cockpit, you will notice your 14-way driver memory heated electric front seats, your 11.4-inch Preview Pro touchscreen, and to finalise our journey we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which we have here at our dealership. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.